when you are overweight, when you do have high levels of visceral fat, essentially what that means is that your fat cell has expanded. It's not that you've grown more fat cells. A lot of people misunderstand how that fat works. You're not growing more fat cells, that your fat cell has literally expanded like a balloon. And now it's leaking out pro-inflammatory messages because every single cell in our body talks to each other, communicates. And so these pro-inflammatory messages are putting our body into this heightened inflammatory state that you talk about, and heightened internal physiological stress, and not psychological stress, is physiological stress, exerts a negative impact on everything in your body, and including your gut microbiome. And it's really interesting when you look at the gut-brain axis, or even the oral microbiome and the brain axis. The microbiome, which is a natural bacterial flora that exists within us, can exert positive health benefits. But when it's dysregulated, and one of the hallmarks of aging is dysbiosis, dysregulation of our microbiome, that happens with aging. It happens with hormonal changes like menopause and andropause, but it happens more when you are overweight or obese, because you are in this state of physiological stress. And that means that your brain, if your gut microbiome is not good and is inflamed, your brain, you get neurological inflammation. This is clinically proven. It's not debatable. We know that if you have dysregulation of your oral microbiome, you're much more likely to develop Alzheimer's and dementia. So this gut-brain axis works two ways. And so we know that you're more likely to develop Parkinson's and Alzheimer's and dementia.